Hello everyone, welcome to The Real English. This is Usman Sakhi and you are watching another video of Learn English with the Movies. In today's video, we're gonna learn 20 daily life English expressions which are really useful for you if you wanna sound like a native speaker. So if you wanna make the most of this video, watch till the end. In this video, I'm going to give you a task which is writing sentences using the expressions that I'm gonna tell you in the video. And before we start, I want you to subscribe to the channel and like my Facebook page. So without wasting any more time, we're gonna start. Number one we have is good at. Good at is used when you talk about your skills. So as you can see, he's really good at football. My wife's really good at cooking, means she cooks awesome food. You wanna try? And I'm quite good at the guitar. Number two we have angry at. Why are you angry at me? Well, I was really angry at my boss. If you don't complete your homework, your teacher will be angry at you. Number three, we have happily married. For example, Ali and Alicia have been happily married for many years. Are you happily married? Yes. Wow, you're lucky. Number four, we have fully aware. It means that you know the danger or you know what bad could happen. So, are you fully aware of arguing with your girlfriend? People are not fully aware of the risk of using cell phones. Number five, we have blissfully unaware. This means that you have no idea what bad could happen and you're very happy because you don't know the danger. She was blissfully unaware of the danger of scuba diving until she came across a shark. The rider was blissfully unaware of the risk of overspeeding. So, do you overspeed? You know, it's danger. Number six we have is departure time. This is the time when your flight takes off or your bus or train leaves. For example, you have to make it to the airport before your departure time or you'll miss your flight. Number seven, we have a desk job. This is a job in which you have to work sitting at a desk. I've gained a lot of weight as I've had a desk job for 2 years. Number eight we have is big improvement. Well, you see, the Real English has made a big improvement lately. Some students have made a big improvement this year, means they improved a lot. Number nine we have a drink. It often refers to alcoholic drinks. Did you have a drink at the party? No, I didn't. Number 10 we have is to have a good time. It means to enjoy, to have fun. For example, we had a good time at the party. You'll have a good time watching the movie. Number 11 we have to have a problem. Do you have a problem? Number 12 we have is have a cup of coffee or tea. I just have a cup of coffee for breakfast. Number 13 we have lunch, have dinner or have a snack. Many ESL students make mistake. They say have a lunch. But have a lunch is wrong expressions. You don't have to put an article over there. So you just have to say have lunch or have dinner, not have a lunch or have a dinner. It's wrong. What time do you usually have lunch? I eat at 3 o'clock. Number 14 we have to do business. It means to run a business. What's your job? I do business. Number 15 we have do someone a favor. It means to do something nice for someone or to help someone. Will you please do me a favor? What? Get me a glass of iced water. Number 16 is do your homework. Have you done your homework? Number 17, do your hair. It means to set your hair or to comb your hair. What are you doing? I'm doing my hair. Number 18, do your nails. It means to manicure or polish your nails. Have you done your nails? Not yet. Number 19, we have do the cooking. It means to do the housework or to do the laundry. So you see, she is doing the cooking. And the last one is number 20, a dime a dozen. It means something which is very cheap or very common. You see, the masks used to be a dime a dozen, but now they aren't. Thanks for watching the video. So you remember your task that you have to make sentences using the expressions I've just told. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it now. And also like my Facebook page, The Real English. Thank you. See you next time.